Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Another video today to show you how to tape the hair system really quickly. I really don't think this is hard at all. All you need is to get the tape and try to get it on the edge, as you can see, of your hair system, and that's all really. Not that because I have been doing it for a long period of time, I find it easy. It is actually not that difficult, and once you get used to it, you can do it very quickly, like what I'm doing. Just all you need to do is to find the edge of the hair system and stick your tape in there. That's all really. That is everything you need to do, and with the time, the more you do it, the easier it becomes. I remember the first few times I've done it, it took me longer than that. Then I get how to work with the tape, how to use the tape, how to hold the tape, all of that type of stuff that comes with after a few times. And now I believe I can tape my hair system really quickly and, and correctly. Here we go. I normally tape all my hair system all around, apart from the front bit, because I use glue at the front, so that's why I don't tape the front at all. And maybe in the next video I'll show you how to attach your hair system. So I nearly finished actually taping all around my hair system in less than a few minutes, and that's all you need to do. Once you reattach your hair system, you literally just tape it around and leave the front bit if you would like to use a glue or adhesive on the front, because it gives you the glue. I find the glue and adhesive gives you really nice natural look. So that's it. That's all for me. That's the hair system taped all around, and in the next video I'll show you how to attach it. Hello, so now I attach the hair system using the tapes. All I need to do now is to lift the hair a little bit to apply the adhesive, and I use these for this purpose to keep my hair system up so I could apply the adhesive. Here's the adhesive. Put it in, and I use my hand. A lot of people use brush or other things, but I find it the easiest way to do it is to use your hand. Here we go. Apologies, I will be looking at the mirror to do that. Here we go. I normally leave it for 1 or 2 minutes to let the adhesive completely dry. So I'll back to you in a few minutes time. And now the adhesive is completely dry, all I need to do is take these off. Probably gonna keep that one on, and I'm gonna look at the mirror while I'm doing this. All you need to do is just let it roll. Don't apply any force or anything to it. Just let the hair system land wherever it wants to land. And yeah, I'm nearly there. There you go. Top's done. The hair system is fitted back again. So this is today's episode about the hair system. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below or send her for all under an email. Have a good day, guys. Thank you.